Two-piece toilets separate the tank and bowl into two independently shipped and installed units, which keeps manufacturing costs lower, makes specific component replacement easier, and accounts for the majority of residential toilet installations in North America. This comparison covers 5 distinct two-piece picks, each representing a different reason to choose this format. Opening this comparison is the TOTO Drake II, the two-piece toilet most consistently cited as the best overall residential pick across Consumer Reports, Wirecutter, and independent consumer testing. When researchers evaluate two-piece format specifically, the Drake II is where the research lands most often. It uses TOTO's tornado flush system, a rimless, hole-free bowl design with 2 angled nozzles generating a centrifugal wash pattern across the bowl surface. Rather than a direct gravity pour from an overhead rim channel, the dual nozzle system routes water along the bowl wall in a spiral motion, using momentum to carry waste through the trapway, which is why tornado flush outperforms conventional single-jet designs at the same or lower water volume. The bowl carries Safe-on-Tect glaze, an ultra-smooth ceramic surface that prevents waste from adhering between cleaning sessions, reducing both cleaning frequency and the volume of cleaners required. 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified, universal height, ADA compliant. TOTO's universal height positions seating between standard and comfort height, accessible across a wide range of users without requiring an extra tall configuration. Note that the Drake II does not include a seat, that is a separate purchase. But for a buyer who has done the research and wants the most comprehensively tested two-piece toilet available at this price, the Drake II delivers the combination of flush engineering and surface technology that earns it the top position in this comparison. The HOROW is the budget two-piece in this comparison, and the strongest argument that affordable and certified do not have to be mutually exclusive in this format. MAP 1000 gram certification is the maximum score from independent maximum performance testing. This toilet cleared 1,000 grams of simulated solid waste at 1.28 gallons per flush in standardized lab conditions. That combination, MAP 1,000 grams at WaterSense compliance, is genuinely uncommon at $209. Most manufacturers who achieve MAP 1000 gram certification do so at 1.6 gallons per flush, where the higher water volume makes the performance easier to reach. The HOROW achieves the same certified score at 400 milliliters less water per flush. The format is compact two-piece, with a round bowl and ADA chair height at 17 inches. The round bowl reduces forward projection into the room relative to an elongated design, relevant in bathrooms where clearance is limited. Single flush at 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified. The two-piece format also ships tank and bowl separately, reducing transit breakage risk and making the units manageable for a single-person DIY install. For a buyer doing an honest comparison of what two-piece toilets deliver at $209, with third-party certification behind the performance claim, the HOROW presents the most verified case for the budget tier in this comparison. The American Standard Cadet Pro Extra Tall is the two-piece in this comparison with the most specific performance argument: seat height. Its bowl sits at 19 inches, 2.5 inches above the standard ADA chair height of 17 inches, and the tallest seat position of any product in this comparison. That height matters in ways that flush specs do not for buyers, with specific physical requirements. For taller individuals, the 19-inch bowl places the hip joint at a more natural angle during the sitting and standing transition. For homeowners managing joint, knee, or hip limitations, the extra height reduces the mechanical effort required to stand, a daily function that becomes a point of difficulty with standard height seating over time. For a household with mixed users, the extra tall height may represent a meaningful accessibility upgrade over a conventional chair height unit. Two-piece elongated 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified left-hand trip lever. American Standard's Cadet Pro line is built for durability under high-cycle residential use. An important note for comparison purposes: this model does not include a seat. A compatible elongated seat must be purchased separately. In a complete comparison of two-piece options, the Cadet Pro Extra Tall earns its position because no other product at this price offers the 19-inch bowl height, and for a buyer whose installation is being evaluated on accessibility, that specification is the one that matters most. The American Standard H2 option is the efficiency standout in this comparison. Its dual flush operates at 0.92 gallons per flush on the partial cycle and 1.28 gallons on the full flush. The 0.92 gallons per flush partial is below the WaterSense threshold, meaning the H2 option's partial flush uses less water than the full flush of any other WaterSense product in this comparison. In a household where the majority of flushes are partial cycles, that volume difference accumulates meaningfully across months of use. A household running 20 partial flushes per day on a standard 1.28 gallons per flush toilet uses approximately 25.6 gallons in partial flushes. The same household on the H2 option uses 18.4 gallons, a reduction of roughly 2,600 gallons per year from partial flushes alone. ADA chair height. The installation package includes a soft-close seat and a wax ring, the two most commonly missing components from toilet boxes at this price tier that force a separate hardware store trip. For a homeowner building a complete comparison of two-piece options and prioritizing long-term utility cost over one-time purchase price, the H2 option makes the efficiency case more specifically than anything else in this comparison. It is not the most powerful flush here. It is the product most precisely engineered for the household, where water consumption is the operating cost that matters. Closing this comparison is the Kohler Highline. The two-piece here, backed by the deepest residential service and support infrastructure in the United States plumbing market. The Kohler Highline uses Class 5 flushing technology, a large-diameter canister flush valve that opens fully on actuation, releasing the complete tank volume in a fast, high-volume discharge. Where conventional flapper valve gravity designs release water through a seal that opens progressively, the canister valve opens fully and immediately, which is why Class 5 delivers more reliable flush performance than flapper designs in heavy-use installations, particularly where partial blockages are a recurring concern. 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified, comfort height, ADA compliant, elongated bowl, right-hand trip lever. The Kohler Highline has been in continuous residential production for decades, and that longevity is relevant to this comparison in ways that specs alone do not capture. A Kohler fill valve, flush valve, or trip lever for the Highline is stocked at plumbing supply houses, home improvement retailers, and online distributors throughout the country. The replacement and repair ecosystem around this product is established in a way that newer entrants in the comparison cannot replicate. For a buyer whose criteria includes not just initial purchase performance, but long-term repairability and service support, the Kohler Highline's position in the domestic plumbing infrastructure is a durable advantage that belongs in any honest two-piece comparison. It closes this list at the right position. Those are 5 two-piece toilets compared for 2026, from the HOROW's $209 MAP-certified budget case to the TOTO Drake II's Tornado Flush engineering at the top of the standard residential tier. Each one leads in a specific dimension: certified budget performance, accessible height, water efficiency, Kohler service infrastructure, or TOTO flush technology. Links to all 5 are in the description. If this comparison helped you find the right pick, give the video a like and subscribe.